Okay, hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. You can hear my sound. Yeah, I have to hold myself. The joy. This is a loser unboxing. I really love loser unboxing because I pay money and you know it. So let me, before everything, I will explain why I call it loser unboxing. I like to unbox things. When I bought something, there was one time I just have such a joy, so I want to share with others. So I made an unboxing and I was very happy. And then I found other people do unboxing also, but they were sponsored. So I was thinking, oh, I was such a sore loser because other people get sponsored. I do not. I have to pay it. So I call it loser unboxing as a way to express this defeated feeling. But eventually I start to think, oh, it's such a good thing because it's good. So I spend my money, I lose my money to buy it. It's because it's good. So this is another loser unboxing. I paid money to buy it because I love it so much that I spend money to buy it. Okay, so I have those pens and this is 0.7. I do not like, but my family use this, so from time to time when I finish I have to use it, I use it. But this is by far one of my most favorite pen because it's so good. And comparing with other pens, the good part of it is that it could be very sharp at the edge, and when you press it, it becomes a thicker, not like other this kind of pen. It's very thick from beginning to the end, but this one you can get very sharp, very beautiful line. Let's try. Oh my. 158乘以36，6838，38，24，35，15，17，13得3得4。It's such a pleasure to write with it. Oh my, so good. Let's see this color. 9，38，48，49，63，63，63，68，38，42，38，44，42，49，39。OK，38，13，Oh my gosh, this is so happy. You see the thin one? Yeah, I do not like this thin one. Oh my, I will make a lot of mess works. Let me see if I do it right. Okay, let me test it. 983乘以 Oh, this makes me so happy. Oh my god, where is my decimal? 983乘以 847等于 Let's go 983 832601 Yes, I'm right. OK. 158乘以36等于158乘以36 5688 Oh my goodness. Use this pen. You only make the right calculation. OK. 9000 Oh, this is even better. OK. 9839乘以8393 Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. So good. 太好了，太好了。Okay, let me serious write some Chinese. Write some words. Oh yes, this is the paper I will use. 新的笔，新 Oh my. 笔很好用。It's such a pleasure. When you have good pen, you want to write. 我喜欢写字。Oh yeah. Love it. I am so happy. So happy. So happy. 1.0 bold. Oh, I need to. Okay, bye bye, friend.